How to log in to your Kakao Talks account. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily log into your Kakao Talks account. Without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. Click on the search bar on your web browser, or if you have the app, just directly open it up. Now simply search for Kakao Talks login. Hit enter, and you'll find this URL accounts.kakao.com. Go ahead and click on this account. Now you'll be taken directly to the login page. Here, you're going to have to enter the email or login that's connected to your account. From there, just enter the password that you have. And finally, just click on the login button. So if you already have the email registered, just click on login. And then from here, you can just go ahead and log into your account. And if you want to save your login information, check this box so that you don't have to enter your login details every time you try to log in. And finally, you could also try to log in with a QR code. So you'll get your phone, just scan the QR code, and you should be logged in. And if you want to stay logged in, just check this box and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.